Hello students, good morning everyone. Students, today I am going to teach our next lesson, the magic thread. Okay, this is our new lesson of half yearly course. So let's start. Students, we learned in this lesson about one boy who is named Aditya. He lived in a small village. So let's start reading and read with me. Long ago, there lived a boy named Aditya in a small village. He lived in fear of three village boys. They often bullied him. They used to push him around and beat him up. Aditya was never able to summon courage to save himself. Okay, so students, this story about one boy whose name was Aditya. He lived in a small village, and he also disturbed by three boys who lived in his village. Okay, वो हमेशा ही तीन लड़कों से परेशान रहता था. Even he lived in a fearful life. Okay, he lived in a fearful life. He always feared with that boys because they always tried to disturb and using mischievous words for आदित्य. वो तीनों लड़के हमेशा ही आदित्य को परेशान करना और मिसचीवियस वर्ड्स यूज़ करना, एब्यूजिंग करना, ये ऑल टाइम वो परेशान करते थे. दैट थ्री बॉयज़. ओके, सो मीन्स दैट बॉयज़ ऑलवेज डिस्टर्ब टू आदित्य. सो फाइनली रिजल्ट क्या हुआ कि वो हमेशा डर के रहने लगा विलेज में. ओके, ही नेवर एबल टू फाइट विद दैम. वो कभी उन लोगों से फाइट करने के लिए नहीं सोच पाता था बिकॉज ही फियर्ड. वो डरता था उनसे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वन डे a young magician came to the village. He performed many antics and irked villagers. Aditya saw also enchanted by his magic tricks. He wondered whether the magician could help him teach a lesson to the village boys, but he did not have the courage to ask for help. Okay, so once upon a time in that village, one magician came. Okay, and when that magician was going to perform their magic tricks. Okay, so at that time Aditya was also there, and he became so much shocked to see that magical activities, magic tricks by performing that person, means magician. एक बार की बात है कि उसके गांव में एक मैजिशियन आया एंड वहाँ पे आदित्य भी था. तो वो वहाँ पे जब उसकी एक्टिविटीज़ देखने लगा, उसकी मैजिक ट्रिक्स देखने लगा, तो वो बहुत ही वंडर्ड हुआ, बहुत ही हैरान हुआ, शॉक्ड हुआ. एंड एट दैट टाइम वन idea came to that Aditya boys that by this way I able to teach lesson of that boys. इस तरीके से भी मैं उन लोगों को सबक सिखा सकता हूँ. बट फाइनली क्या होता है कि he unable to speak this idea to that person or share with anyone. वो इतना ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था कि उसके में मीन्स कह सकते हैं डेयर ही नहीं थी. he hasn't dared to share this idea to anyone or that magicians. Okay, so after this what happened, just see here. A few days later, just Aditya was passing by the magician's tent house. The boys appeared and began to bully him. One of them pulled his bag and threw it away. Another tagged his shirt. Aditya was so scared of the boys that he did not even whimper. All this while, the magician had been watching the scene. He shouted as the bullies and scared them away. So students, after a few days, Aditya was passing from that magician's tent house. Aditya was passing near that magician's tent house. Suddenly that three boys also came there. Obviously beta, that three boys always, each and every time, want to disturb Aditya. Means I can say that they follow him, वो उसका पीछा करते थे. तो suddenly they meet there by that with Aditya, and you know very well what can they do, वो क्या कर सकते हैं. As usually they tried to disturb him. Out of them one boy pulled his bag. किसी एक लड़के ने, उन तीनों में से किसी एक लड़के ने उसके बैग को खींचा. सेकेंड वन इज़ टक देयर शर्ट्स, उसकी शर्ट्स को खींचा, शर्ट्स को फाड़ने की कोशिश की या फिर खींचा तानी इन लोग में आपस में हुई. तो ऑल ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटीज़, ऑल ऑफ दीज सीन्स एंड इंसिडेंट सा बाई दैट मैजिशियन. ओके, ये सारी चीज़ें वो मैजिशियन देख रहा था. एंड व्हेन दैट बॉयज क्रॉस देयर लिमिट, जब वो अपनी लिमिट क्रॉस कर रहे थे, मीन्स जब आदित्य को वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान कर रहे थे, देन दैट मैजिशियन शाउटेड टू दैम. उन्होंने जो जादूगर थे उन्होंने उन पर चिल्लाया दैट वॉइस पे. ठीक है, तो यू नो आफ्टर दिस व्हाट हैपन, ऑब्वियसली दे रैन अवे, वो भाग गए. दे रैन अवे विथ स्केयर्डली, वो डर के मारे भाग गए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, remaining part of this lesson we will discuss in next video lecture.